You're a literary great, you should have won a Pulitzer Prize. I would never cannibalize or impair a single hair or phrase of your amazing opus. Still, a lot of scribblers soon discover what they write for the screen isn't always right for the screen. So I intervened. I zipped through your book and the characters jumped to life on the page. Now we're at the stage where I bring them to life on the screen. The book may be yours, baby, trust me, the movie is mine. You'll learn from von Sternberg, you'll grow from von Stroheim, and so I'm the heir to their skill. This town has more nuts than Brazil. Let's face it, I've been through the mill. Donna, darling, get this on a pad and type it up for next week. I have an engagement to speak at the Writers Guild. You wouldn't want to upset Buddy. This is advice, not a threat, Buddy. But see how tough things can get, Buddy. When things get rough, it can get bloody. Baby, nobody says no, Buddy. So, Buddy, you better concede. Let Buddy be Buddy, pure Buddy.